Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'll be making some curry goat. This is how I season my curry goat. I'm actually going to be cooking it tomorrow, but I'm gonna season it today and then let it marinate until tomorrow I cook it. So first I'm gonna add some. So I added some pimento seed in. So now I'm gonna add just some all-purpose seasoning to my goat. Then I'm gonna add some complete seasoning. Then I'm gonna add some garlic powder. Never mind my bottle, it's a little messy. You know you're in a real kitchen and I'll be cooking when you see the bottle like that. I'm sorry. Now I'm gonna add some black pepper. Now I'm gonna cut up my onions and some pepper and some ginger, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So now, I don't know if I showed you guys, I was moving so fast, I'm sorry. This is my all-purpose seasoning that I added to my curry goat. Just gonna add a little more. I don't add salt, so the seasons have enough salt in them, so I don't need to add salt. So I have maybe 5 cutting board, but I'm just gonna rough chop my onions into my goat. Big chops, because they're gonna cook anyway. I'm just making some big chops in them. Get it all. So I'm adding that to that. That's good. Then I have some scallion, green onion. Just rough chopping everything in. I wash them, clean them up. Just making some big chops. And I have some thyme. And I'm adding some ginger. Cutting them big so we could identify them later. So nobody not eat the ginger. Can anybody comment down below why I'm putting in ginger? Pepper. Cutting up 2 peppers in. So now I'm just gonna, I'll be right back. I'm gonna put on some gloves so I could add a little curry, and then I'll rub it all in. So if you guys know me, you guys know this is the curry I use. That other one just finished, so I'm opening a new bag. If you ask me, this is the best curry around town. But to each his own. But this is what I use and what I love. So I'm not gonna put a lot because then I'm gonna add some to the oil and burn it when I start cooking it. Some people put oil. I wasn't raised that way. I'm just gonna get everything all in. I just lose a piece over there? Did one of the goat run away? Uh-oh. Someone go back home. You looking for your mama? Make sure you get every piece folded. Every piece have seasoning on it. I think that looks good. I think that looks good. Okay, so it's all seasoned up. So I'm gonna get a big Ziploc bag and put it in so it could marinate, and I'll cook it tomorrow. I'll be right back. So now I'm gonna pack it in my Ziploc bag. This smells so good. It. I doubled the bag because it's curry and I don't want it to leak out in my refrigerator. So this is gonna marinate until tomorrow. I'll cook it, so see you guys tomorrow. So this is gonna marinate, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, which tomorrow is in the next 2 to 3 minutes for you guys, but it's a whole 24 hours for me. Bye. I add my oil to my pot. And now I'm gonna add my curry. Adding my curry. Add my goat. stir it up a little bit. Get everything all mixed in. I'm gonna cover my pot. I'm just gonna go wash my hands and I'll be back. Boiling some water to add to my curry goat. Always add hot water to your curry goat. My mother-in-law taught me that. Some water to my goat. Now I'm just going to cover it up and let it continue to cook. So I add my seasoning to my rice and peas. Just going to let that cook down for a little bit before I add my rice. And here's my goat over here. The pot is bubbling. Just gonna stir it up. Oh my God. Sorry. I'm gonna add my rice to my pot. Oh, that's good. So I just added some more water to the goat. I'm just gonna let it continue to cook. Remember, I had the hot water, so the boiling process doesn't stop. So it continues to cook. So when you add cold water, the boiling process is gonna stop, the cooking process. So then it gotta heat up again. But when you add the hot water, it just continues to cook. So that's why I add hot water. I'm adding some hot water to my goat. You can see it continue boiling. Hot, hot, hot. And then I have my hot water right here. When I need it, I'll add it to my bowl. outdoor cooking. And I have my rice and peas cooking over here, steaming down. That's what's going on. Outdoor cooking today, guys. Outdoor cooking. See real chef them? Well, iron in their hand. And draw ball say hot. Scotch bonnet pepper, green onion, white onion, purple onion, thyme. I'll be adding to my curry goat now. Alright guys, I'm gonna add my seasoning to the pot now. You probably can't see me, I'm so sorry. Earlier. Then I'm gonna add a little all-purpose. And a little black pepper. So, I'm the final cooking now. Nice. Alright, now simmer down now. On the final jump now. Just getting some shots for my video. Get in there, get in there. Nice juicy ram goat. The pepper. Spice it up. Outdoor cooking. Gas stove cooking today. Pee now look on the pot. Pot of bubble. Nice juicy ram goat. The pepper. Spice it up. Outdoor cooking. Gas stove cooking today. I think I need to turn down the stove now. Looking good. Soft enough. Let me turn down the stove. How do I turn it down? Did I just turn it on? Okay. I think it's ready. Pulling apart so it's soft. pepper there. Doing a video for my channel. Outdoor cooking.
You guys are like go, you know? Yes, nice. I like those.
It's still upon YouTube, that fish now.
Yeah.
Oh, I see them people, them a spear that I'm on that.
Yeah.
So them not see shark when they go down there. But barracuda them eyes or sometimes, you know.
Yeah.
So them know when to shoot that, but